guys, in this video I'm going to show you what oils I use to help my hair grow long and strong. If you're interested, please keep watching. You'll need coconut oil, castor oil, sweet almond oil, avocado oil, jojoba oil, and rosemary essential oil. And you'll also need one of these little squeeze bottles. You'll need a shower cap, a funnel, and you'll need a paddle brush. The first thing I'm going to do is pop the coconut oil in the microwave for about 15 seconds or until it's completely melted. Alright, so the next step is really simple. We're just going to mix everything together. So I filled up my sink with some hot water and I'm just gonna let this sit here for 2 to 3 minutes just until it's warm. So there's really no right or wrong way to do this. I'm just gonna part her hair into 4 sections and I'm gonna start applying the oil at the scalp, working my way down to the ends. So now I'm just simply applying the oil to the scalp with the squeeze bottle and gently massaging it in with my fingers. You can also use a brush or a comb to distribute all the oil evenly throughout the hair. So I usually leave this on my hair for a day, but if you don't want to leave this on for so long, you're just gonna put the shower cap on and you're gonna go in the dryer for about 10 to 15 minutes. And I suggest doing this once a week. And now I'm just gonna wrap the hair up and put the shower cap on. So now all you have to do is go under the dryer for about 10 to 15 minutes, or like I said, you can keep this on for a day or two. That's usually what I do, and that's it.
So after you sat in the dryer for 15 minutes, you just go ahead and wash your hair, and then you can style it or leave it loose to whatever you want with your hair, and then that's it, you're done.
I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.